respawn as soon as the blast comes out.
No, they blow up and deal damage to the raid, otherwise they're single targeting. The morph composition.
Guys, if you're ranged, why are you on right side right now? Come on.
Is it done?
And we will be together. So let's fly, fly away. I do not want to stay. You're making me feel so. We're moving really slow till the lights turn.
Everyone who just came to flip on me just
Bring up TM. Back on you. Watch these sides, pretty tight.
Watch a bomb.
Clean up.
Along to buffer.
4 seconds.
Bring up. Rebuff him. Relust him. Moves his guards back.
reports on that.
Open the skies for us and we shine. We will elevate our light. We will elevate our light.
Roars up.
Roar.
Elevate
Roaring again.
Moon guards and shit on you.
Fire goals, but
our light.
Clean up fire caller.
We will elevate our light. We will elevate.
one more, then switch this.
We will elevate our light.
Hello?
Range, start to rotate back to the. Everybody
Push
get
forward.
into this.
We are the dreamers in an empty sky. Open up our eyes as we light up the darkness. And while it's
Okay,
beautiful
be back.
Put
tonight,
skull and box down.
we will elevate.
These ads.
That's a
Open the skies for us and we shine.
just
We will elevate our light. We will elevate
finish.
4 minutes
Give
till
these
that.
guards.
our light.
Just take your time.
Guards and fire callers.
Fire caller.
Okay, on board.
We will elevate our
Target roll.
Bring up John.
Be right.
You have any beers on? Alright. Bring up.
That flag is the next. Be careful.
Meal cage, 3 melts in a row.
What's your flag ball? What's up a little bit, please?
Move, move, move.
something real. Open my heart and let it rain. All the moments just keep fading away. I wanna know what it feels like. Living on the edge of something right. All the
2 minutes.
moments just
Good,
keep
must
fading away.
Any box raises? As soon as you're all box res, bring up.
Call if you need a CD.
How long?
Don't have to move that.
Heads up.
Shut the fuck up!
Yeah.
Alright, motherfuckers. Welcome to 9 or 10, bitches.
Damn.
That's my home.
Oh my god.
Someone else can fuck us.
Oh god. Oh my god. Very good job, guys.